ECs, get ready for some fog. I think Tuesday morning is when you're going to want to allow some extra time. These will be the conditions where you don't want to be in a hurry and try to have to rush things to get to work or school. So allow a few extra minutes. I think some fog's going to roll in. But first, before we look low on fog, we look high at the planetary parade, intergalactic planetary. Here we go. There's going to be several planets that will be visible by the naked eye. Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter. Telescopes, sometimes even a binocular, will get those other planets in sight. But this should be really cool every night this week, at least through Friday. I don't know if we'll see it Saturday or Sunday, but what's so cool is that we're going to have clear skies. Look south, and you'll see the planets from left to right. Mars, Jupiter. You won't be able to see Uranus naked eye, but then Venus will show up. And Mercury will too. So cool. The planetary parade. This won't happen again for another 15 years. Here on the Hill tonight, beautiful shot. The flags are still, winds are calm. That's going to really help this fog to settle in. 57 right now, and skies are clear. But we're going to cool near the dew point, and that's when it's going to happen. We'll start seeing some fog. We were pretty far from cool today. Look at this, 76 today, 78 Seguin. Had some 80s out to the west. Look at Carrizo Springs, 82, 84s along the Rio Grande for Eagle Pass and Del Rio. Overnight, we're going to cool to about 47, be a couple degrees away from our dew point, start creating some fog. I think we could see it develop as early as about 5 or 6, but then it really starts to thicken up by about 7 or 8. Visibility could be as low as about half a mile in the area. So dense morning fog. We've got a weather impact alert from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. Allow that extra time with this fog in place. Watch this morning's fog. See the exhaust stacks, and then look at that layer of fog, like that blanket right over Calaveras Lake. Isn't that cool? One more time, sorry, but this is so awesome. You see it right here. There's this exhaust stacks, and look at that cloud layer, because that's what fog is, just a cloud on the surface. Boom, dissipates. That's so awesome. All right, so sunny skies this afternoon, sunny skies the next several days after morning fog. We will have a front pass through Wednesday afternoon into Thursday, but hardly a chance we get any rain. In fact, in the coming days, we're looking at a very dry forecast, only about 1/4 of an inch in the gauge, and we need this rain. Extreme drought from San Antonio up I-35 to Austin, and even out to the southwest to Eagle Pass. Surprisingly, Austin not doing too bad. Rainfall update from the beginning of the year, we're at 1.7. We should have double that. Del Rio, only about half an inch off. But look at Austin, almost an exact inch and a quarter above average at 5.5 plus. That's almost an inch per week. Not doing too bad. All right, 14-day forecast. Settle in for a warm, dry weather pattern. We're expecting temperatures to be warm. Tomorrow, 80. Wednesday, 79. Weather impact alert for just tomorrow morning on that fog, 46. We'll get another cold morning. It's going to come in Friday after that front. The front's only got a 10% chance we see a shower. There's a better chance on that first Sunday of March. Yeah, the opening weekend of March is going to be partly to mostly cloudy, with that slight chance of showers on Sunday. You can see just how warm things are definitely going to be staying. Mid to upper 70s most of this 14-day forecast. This is good running weather for you, my man.